Okay, now we are going to place a stair. As you can see on their drawing, they have a stair in the, I guess that's the northwest corner of the building. And it says here that they have 15 risers at about 6 3/4 inches risers. And I measured this previously, and it's about 5 feet 6 inches from the outside wall or the inside of that exterior wall. So I'm going to go to my floor plan in our working file, and I'm going to go to the architecture tab and then slide over to circulation and find the stair command. I just want to point out that if you hover over any of these icons, that it will bring a little drop down that will give you a little bit of a description on how to apply or use that tool. And it will also give you uh, the suggestion that you can press F1 for more help if you want to find out how to use any of the tools in Revit. So let's see. If we look at our not our properties palette, but our bar here, it says that the run is going to be measured from the center, but let's take it from the right sides because that's where I have something to click off of. And I'm not going to have an offset at all because I want it to run right against the wall. And the width of the stairs, I'd like to leave it at 3 feet. And I do want to leave this box checked for an automatic landing. So I'll leave that on. And then I'm going to just hover over the corner that I'm going to measure off of. I'm not clicking anything yet, and I'm sliding to the left until I get about 5 feet 6 inches. Then I'll click to place. You can see my stair coming in, and I'm going to pull it forward until I have, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8, 9 stairs on this side. And then I'm still in the command, but not connected. It's not making the linking stair, but it will automatically place a landing between the different runs of the stair. Oops, let's do this. I want it, since I asked it to go not off the center, but off the right side, I have to click off the right side. So I'm drawing a line. I'm just hovering over the reference point to get the proper intersection, and then I'm going to continue pulling in this direction. And it tells me right there the risers created are, or how many risers created and how many more I need in order to get to my second level constraint, which is named in my properties palette on the left. Base level is at first floor, and the top level is at the second floor. So it knows when it's made enough risers, and I just click. So then I see my stair, and I see it, the arrow pointing all the way up, but I have to click into the finish mode. So click this little green arrow, and then it will adjust the graphic to look as it does in the finished floor plan. So let's take a look at it in a 3D view. And in order to do that, I'm pressing Shift to sort of rotate my perspective as I push down the center wheel of my mouse. And I'm going to click on the roof, and I'm going to come down to these little tiny pair of glasses and click there and hide element. So now I don't have the roof stopping me from seeing this view. And then I'm going to also click a wall and do that. Move the walls that I want, hide element. I'm going to move the second wall as well, hide element. So then I can really see what's happening with the stair in here. If I want to change the type, I can click on the modify tool and select my stair. Let's see, make sure I have my stair selected. It says assembled stair. It's closed on 2 sides. I think I would like to have it be an open riser stair. It says it's residential already, and I'd like it to have a middle stringer instead of 2 edges. I would just like it to have a more open feel. So I clicked that change type. And then I'd like these handrails to be